Hi there, welcome to another episode of the Legal Minute with me, Sophia Bryan. As always, this is a public education, not legal advice. And so I encourage you to, of course, do your own research and speak to your attorney if anything I share sparks your interest. No, my mission as an attorney is to support my clients to use the law as a vehicle to build and protect their legacy. Today, we're going to be speaking about 3 things to consider when selecting an executor for your will. Now, as the word executor suggests, this is the executive, the person that will be carrying out your wishes when the inevitable arises. That person is going to be charged with the responsibility to, if the need arises, be your advocate from the grave, basically. And if there are any possible challenges along the way, this individual is going to ensure that your wishes are honored to the best of their ability. And of course, where their ability fails, the court comes into play. Now, 3 things you need to consider when choosing an executor is: one, the executor cannot be a beneficiary in your will. It's not advised. Depending on your jurisdiction, it's just not something that's allowed. This person should not have a benefit in your will, because then there may be a competing interest of sorts, right? Executors are entitled to some amount of compensation, and the law dictates what that is. And so, they're really volunteering their time, but there's consideration given for that time, from a legal perspective, right? Two, you want your executor to be someone that's firm. You want them to be someone that is resolute in ensuring that your wishes are honored. And 3, you want to ensure that your executor is someone that you trust. Trust is a key component where selecting an executor is concerned. You want this to be either someone that you've known for a substantial amount of years. You want to ensure that this is someone that's filled with integrity, and they've demonstrated that they're filled with integrity and that they're not going to flinch, if any challenge arises, you know. So those are some considerations that you need to bear in mind when selecting an executor. Every will needs an executor. This is a person who's going to ensure that your wishes are honored. So, one, this person should not be a beneficiary in your will. Two, this person needs to be someone that is firm and unwavering in their support for you and in their desire to carry out your wishes. And 3, this is someone that you need to trust, and someone who needs to be filled with integrity, and they would have demonstrated that to you. Right? So I hope you learned a lot today, and I hope I've sparked your desire to go ahead and either have a will prepared or do some, research into what that will look like for you, and to consider who your executor is going to be. As I said before, this is not legal advice. However, if you'd want to speak with me about your unique legal situation, go to my website, sophiabryan.com, and you can also find the link to book a complimentary consultation in the show notes or below this video. Talk soon. Bye.